Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this very simple yet very nice looking, very Christmassy Christmas angel just out of some scrap wood. So for this project I'm going to be using a couple of scrap bits of wood, and to draw out the head of the angel I'm using this lid from a jar. Anything round will do. And then for the body, I'm going to draw two lines that taper down from the head to the bottom. So then, to give a curved shape to the body, I took a metal ruler and just bent it slightly to just give it a bit of a shape. And then to cut out this main shape, I used my jigsaw. So now I wanted to draw out a shape for the wings. So here I just have an old circular saw blade, and I'm going to use that to draw out the shape. Anything circular will do, such as a dinner plate, just anything round. And again, I took my jigsaw to cut this out. Then for the base, which I don't need to cut, it just happens to be roughly the shape I need, I just went around it with my router and rounded over the edges. And I did the same on the angel, just going round the front and back, making all the edges nice and round and smooth. I then went over everything with an 80 grit sandpaper. And then just finished it all off with a hand sanding. So now to attach the wings to the body, I'm using a combination square to help me to find the central point of the wings. So now I've drawn a line down the centre. I made a few pilot holes for the screws. And then I've just added a little bit of glue. And secured the wings on with 3 screws. Now I needed to add the angel to the base, so again with a combination square, I'm using that to help me find the centre, and then just drawing around the bottom with a pen and making 3 marks for 3 more screws. Again, just drilling pilot holes to help, mainly to help the screws go straight. And again, just adding a dab of glue. So now for the bottom of the base, I'm going to add some screws and some plastic caps just to protect any surface from scratches. And that was the main project complete. Now I just needed to decorate it. So for the base, I used some metallic bronze coloured paint. And then for the angel, I took some gold glitter paint and I painted on 2 coats of this. So to add a final detail, I had some of this golden rope and I just tied off each end to stop it from fraying, and then tied this round the neck of the angel. And that was the project complete. So that's about it for this video. If you liked the video, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time.